Look at these two pictures and tell what feelings come to you on looking at them. The first is a picture of a beautiful scenery, and the second is the picture of a garbage dump near the seashore. The first picture is beautiful and it gives us pleasure and draws our admiration. The second picture is exactly the opposite. It is a garbage dump, and the sight of the dump fills us with pain and sadness, sorrow at seeing our seashores in such a bad state. Thus, we see that a thing of beauty gives us joy, whereas a very bad picture draws our sadness. So today we are going to take up a poem by John Keats, and the title of the poem is A Thing of Beauty. In this poem we are going to see what the poet has tried to present to us in this beautiful poem of his.
Play.
First, let us see who was John Keats. John Keats was an English romantic poet. He is famous for his odes. Some of his famous poems are Ode to a Nightingale, Ode on a Grecian Urn, Endymion. So this is the picture of Keats, who died at a very young age. Now the theme of this poem, A Thing of Beauty, is that nature is an endless treasure of beauty and a perpetual source of joy. Nature is so beautiful that it gives us immense happiness and joy. Now let us look at the main points which the poem gives us. First of all, let us see what this poem is about. The poem is based on a Greek legend. Legend means a story. The poem is an excerpt. Excerpt means a part from Keats' famous poem Endymion. In this poem, he gives us this message that a beautiful thing is a constant source of joy. Its loveliness only increases. Why does it increase? Because it becomes permanent in our memory, and the recollection of that beautiful sight gives us joy whenever we remember it. It gives sweet dreams and peaceful sleep and good health. Hence, it is a boon to all. What is a boon to all? Beautiful sights that we have enjoyed. As we know that we are surrounded by jealousy and disappointment. The earth is full of sorrow and sadness. These make our life gloomy and miserable, resulting in suffering and pain. But in the midst of all our sorrows and sufferings, if we come across a thing of beauty, this sadness is removed from our spirits. The sight of nature, such as clear streams of water, daffodils, which is a flower, musk rose, which is another type of flower, and forest thickets, forest bushes, make our life sweet and happy. This beautiful